Hey guys, if you are working with Modular rig, probably you will have some issues while you are baking your animation into this control, this Modular rig. So I will try to show you what's happening. Let's create a new Modular rig together and let's experience this. I'll just go with Queen. So if you are dragging and dropping this modules, example legs, this is gonna be shoulder. So let's drag these fingers as well. Okay, once you have completed your modular rig, seems like everything looks fine. Even if you drag this thing into your scene, and actually you can see this I key legs are totally fine. If you go to global controller, let's change this arm switches to the I key as well. And you see everything looks fine. But what happens if you are trying to bake some animation into this? For example, let's say we have a run animation, which is like a default one from Mangan's animations. And if we want to bake this to modular rig, you will have some weird issues with the shoulders and stuff. So you will see actually this is not actually baking correctly to the control this modular rig. So I will also try to get let's take this screen over here. Select this one because I will try to use the CR mannequin body, which is the normal, which is the correct one actually, which is here, which is the correct one. If we get this animation and if we apply it to this queen, and if we bake this animation into the body control rig, which is CR mannequin body, this one, as you can see, this is working totally fine. So actually what's happening, I will try to explain it really quick. For example, here, if you check the parental hierarchy from the modules, which is the expected result, the body control rig. If you see that the clavicle controls actually are parented into the spine, which is under chest space. So if we go to our modular rig, if you go to the module hierarchy, you will see actually clavicles are parented onto this body offset controller, which actually is not correct. So we have spines here. We can change the parent to the spine for controller, which is the last one here, which is gonna be totally fine actually. But in that case, actually, you will lose some I key functionality about the hands. Oh, I will try to show you. We are gonna be able to bake it correctly, but you will see what's happening. So let's try to find our shoulders. This is the left one, and the parent should go under the spine controller. If you click this one, probably you will see this flickering thing, but don't worry, just click this parent control, get spine controller, and you can click this one and set it, this parental control under spine 4. So we are gonna do the same thing for the other shoulder, parent control. It's gonna be parented by spine 4. Let's do that. So once you have done it, we can compile and save this one. Let's remove our rig. Let's make it active. Let's try to bake it again. This is modular rig. Actually, once you have done it, you will see your shoulders are actually correct now because it is parented under this spine control. So this is gonna be fine, but still you will see some issues with the arms. So actually what we can do is we can do the change the parent for arms to the clavicle. So let's do that. This is gonna fix our issue, but you will see some things. For example, this is our modular rig. We will go to shoulder, we will go to arm module, which is the parent control is currently body offset, which we are gonna go and change it, and we are gonna change it to the clavicle control. So just make sure this is the right one. So just please select the correct one. This is hand R, upper arm R, which means it means the right side, and it should be parented by clavicle R. Let's do that, and let's close shoulder, and let's go to other shoulder. This arm under this shoulder arm, this is the left one, and it should be parented by clavicle left controller. If we do this, let's save it, and let's try to bake our animation again. Actually, you will see the correct result afterwards. This is gonna be working fine. Even if you change the I key controls right now, it's gonna work. But actually what we have done is we changed this module parent control to the shoulder, which we have done for arm, which means actually if we change the spine module, the spine orientation, and actually it's gonna affect your I keys as well, which means that you have lost some of IQ functionality. Let's go and try to show it here. For example, here in this keyframe, if we go and switch the arm, it looks fine. But for example, if I go and change the spine, then you will see actually my hands are moving as well, which actually is not very correct. So if you still want to bake it correctly and want to change it, you can use it. I mean, still the IQ functionality is gonna be working fine. But still, the parental issue is still there. So actually, I can show you very quickly. Let's remove all of these things. Let's remove all animations. Let's get the control rig classes. For the first one, let's get modular rig. And for this one, let's mannequin body. And let's go and activate the I key for both of them. Actually, let's use all IQ functionality for both mannequins. Spine, okay. For example, here, if I select the body controller, let's say, if I move it, then as you can see, my hands are moving with that because we have changed the parent to the clavicle for arms, which means the I key controls are also parented to the clavicle, which maybe not exactly what you want. But for example, here, if we go it and the IQ functionality is working fine. This is a really tough situation because I don't know how they are able to do this in modular rigs, because some of forward kinematic parents are gonna have to be different from the I key controller parents. So actually I don't know. Yeah, but still, if you want to resolve the baking issue with your modular rig, you can still go and apply this solution to your modular rig, which is changing the parents.